let's take a look at 4 different types of sentences starting on page 613. First of all, just looking at our directions here, sentences have subjects and predicates, okay? You got the complete subject of a sentence, and then you can also have the complete predicate of the sentence. The complete subject is the subject with all the words that describe the subject, and the complete predicate is basically the part of the sentence with the verb, and it also has words in it that are related to the verb, and occasionally you'll have a descriptive word in there that points back at the subject, but that's basically what the subject and predicate of the sentence are. The subject is whatever noun or pronoun is performing the action. That's going to be your verb. The action is your verb. So the subject is whatever noun or pronoun is performing the action of the verb. Remember now, sometimes verbs are going to be am, is, are, was, were, has, have, had, and some other verbs that look like that. The predicate is the part of the sentence with the verb in it, and then you might see in a minute the term simple predicate, and the simple predicate is the verb. So let's look at this sentence. Digital technology transformed the music industry. This whole thing is your complete predicate. It's got a verb in it, transformed, and it tells what was transformed. This is your whole complete subject. You can think of digital technology as maybe a compound noun if you want to, but technology here is probably your simple subject. It's one word being your subject, and digital is describing what kind of subject you have. So subject, verb, complete predicate, complete subject. Now let's look at 4 types of sentences. Most of your sentences will be declarative sentences. They'll end in periods. Imperative sentences are commands. These sentences are not allowed in formal compositions unless they are in quotes. My mother said, comma, quotation marks, go clean your room, in quotation marks. If you start a sentence with a verb, and that verb is telling somebody what to do, or you can add the word you in front of it, you join the digital bandwagon, then it is an imperative sentence, and imperative sentences are not allowed. Interrogatives or questions, I would say be very stingy with interrogatives and be careful, because a lot of times those are going to lead you into the you trap, and you know that the word you and any form of the word you is very rarely allowed unless it is in a quote. Exclamatory sentences are very strong emotion. Be very stingy with those as well. Maybe 1 in 500 words, maybe 2 at the most. Declarative sentences will be most of your sentences. And that's the end of this video.